Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. Today's topic which I am going to discuss with you, that is what is web marketing. So this is very interesting topic. So watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So what is web marketing? Web marketing, also known as online marketing, is a digital marketing strategy that involves promoting products or services using internet based platforms. It encompasses a range of techniques such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and pay per click advertising. Or, in other words, we can say that web marketing, also known as online marketing or internet marketing, is a comprehensive strategy aimed at promoting products or services using various online channels and platforms. The goal of web marketing is to reach and engage with the online audience, driving traffic to websites or online stores and ultimately converting them into customers. So friends, now I am going to tell you about its key components. First one is search engine optimization, means SEO. SEO involves optimizing website content and structure to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. Second one is social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. are used to engage with target audiences, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to websites. Third one is email marketing. Email marketing involves sending targeted emails to a list of subscribers to promote products, share updates, nurture leads, and build relationships. Fourth one is content marketing. Content marketing focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a specific audience. This content can take various forms, including articles, videos, blog posts, podcast, ebooks, and more. Fifth one is pay per click advertising, means PPC advertising. PPC advertising allows businesses to display ads on search engines like Google Ads or social media platforms like Facebook ads, Twitter ads, etc., and pay only when users click on them. Advertisers bid on keywords or target specific demographics to reach their ideal audience and drive traffic to their websites or landing pages. Sixth one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with third party websites or individuals who promote products or services in exchange for a commission on sales generated through their referral links. It's a performance based marketing model that can help expand reach and increase sales without upfront costs. Seventh one is influencer marketing. Influencer marketing entails collaborating with influential individuals or content creators on social media to endorse product or services to their followers. So friends, overall web marketing encompasses a diverse range of tactics and channels that work together to attract, engage and convert online audience into customers while maximizing return on investment and achieving business objectives. So friends, that's for all today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching friends and have a good day.